Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to create some beautiful floral wall decor for you. I'm going to be starting with this canvas. This is a prepared canvas and I'm going to flip it over so that you can see the back, and it says you can write the artist name, your name, and the date that you created your project. I won't be doing that today on the back, but this canvas is really nice, guys. It's already been primed with gesso and I think maybe like one coating, and I'm going to be painting on it today. I'm going to be using some white pearl paint from Artecho, and I'm going to be using my silicone paintbrush. Now this is the first time I'm using this brush on canvas, so I'm going to take a little bit of the white pearl paint and I'm going to add a couple of drops of water just to thin it out. This paint is very thick and it's very creamy, and I'm going to use this dropper just to put just a couple of drops of water in it just to thin it out. After that, I'm going to paint the complete canvas with this pearl paint. After I cover the canvas, I am going to use my regular paintbrush just to make sure that the paint is evenly distributed throughout the canvas. And while the paint is still wet, I'm going to be adding this beautiful white glitter. This is a very soft glitter. You can't really see it. I just want to add a little extra glitter and dimension to the canvas, and I'm going to let all this dry. To speed up the dry time, I am going to be using my small fan that I picked up from Amazon. This was about $6 or $7, and I like to use this for projects that I'm still working on but need to speed up the dry time. I'll use this. So I just wanted to let you know that I'll be using my fan today, and I'm just going to let this dry. So it's been about an hour, guys, and the paint is completely dry on the canvas. The canvas looks really nice. It has a beautiful pearl luster. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be using my template. This is a lotus flower. I picked this up from Amazon, I think. I'll try to find a link for that. But anyway, I am going to take this template, I'm going to just tape it down onto the painted canvas. It fits right in the center of the canvas, so this is a really good size. So once I get that all taped down and hold it down into place, I am going to mix two colors today. I'm going to use the Artecho pearl paint. This is called Pearl Purple, and I'm going to be using a little bit of acrylic paint in just white, and I'm going to blend the two together, because what I'm going to do now is I don't need a lot of paint for this part of the project. I'm going to use a sponge and I'm just going to press some of the color through the stencil. Now that that's done, I'm going to use some of this beautiful purple glitter, and I'm just going to sprinkle that on top of the wet paint, and I'm going to allow everything to dry together, and I'm going to be using my fan to allow it to dry. Now that it's dry, I'm just going to lift up the template and remove it, and I really love the way this looks. This looks really nice. The shape came out absolutely beautiful. So I did notice that the edges are not that defined, and I'm going to take a purple marker and I'm just going to define the edges a little bit, not throughout the whole lotus flower, just along the outer perimeter, and because I'm going to need a more defined line as I continue to decorate the lotus flower. So I'm going to be using my Aleene's Clear Gel Tacky Glue, and I'm going to be using these beautiful gems. These gems are from Amazon. The colors are a mixture of purple, pink purple. It's sort of iridescent. So I'm going to start with my clear gel glue, and I'm going to be using a nail gem picker to pick up the little gems. So I'm just going to place a little bit of glue down on top of the lotus flower, and I'm going to use a silicone eyeshadow brush. This little device is an eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to help spread the glue around along the lotus flower. Once I do that, I'm going to start adding the gems. I love the way the shape of the lotus flower looks with the gems on top. So now I need to finish up the final part of the project, which is using this diamond wrap. This is a self-adhesive diamond wrap. I got that from Amazon as well. I don't know what this color is called, but it goes really well with the color of the project. And I'm just going to cut these down into single row strips because that's all I need to edge out the project. The project is almost done, but as you can see, this looks so nice. This is a super close-up as I work. I wanted to show you what it looked like close-up. It came out really gorgeous. I love the way it looks. I don't have a frame for it right now. I just wanted to show you complete project. But for now, I just have it on top of my table, and it looks really, really beautiful. I love the way it looks. So guys, you let me know what you think in the comment section. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.